feeling hopeless. Rebound off you, then it's on to your friends. You the reason why I'm dogging, how can I pretend? One step back just to see the real you. Love nowadays, swear on me, it'll kill ya. Come on, hop in my whip. We gon' take a trip to a place that you never seen before. Take this hit, get your fix. All you need is one rip and you go. Now you can X 361. If they don't feel you, they gon' put you on a t-shirt. Ballin', I've been ballin', you would think a nigga needs her. Ain't nobody stopping my shine. You were so fine, a damn waste of my time. Every time we fuck, got me thinking that you down. When I sober up, it's like you don't come around. All I speak is truth and I told ya. If you playin' with me, I'ma show ya. See me going up, now she wanna come around. She gon' slow me down, so I left her back in town. I ain't fucking with you on my mama. Every time I do, it's full of drama.
I like, wait, get the fuck up on my face. Hold up, hey, girl, you know I need my space. Hold up, yeah. Every time I'm with you, it's some drama. Girl, I'm mad I let you meet my mama. Who you think you fool? You got me confused, girl. I ain't like none of these goofy. You must think I'm stupid, bitch. You think I'm gon' let you use me? It's always a story, and you twist it like in a Rubik's. Bitch, what you see? Ain't you mean? Don't play them games. Get in my blends. How about that cool? To me and you, we in the Benz. Let's go, better make room. We coming in. I just be doing it fast. I just hold every no question.